Welcome back to another Ben's Garage video. Today we're back on the Range Rover. I've managed to, the Hobbit's managed to just nose it into the garage. Weather's a little bit crap outside, so I didn't want to get set up out there and get pissed on with rain. Anyway, if you've got one of these modern Range Rovers, they've got plastic headlights. Now the old TD6, the earlier L322s had glass headlights, so they didn't suffer with this problem. If you've got any modern car that's got plastic headlights, you'll know that after a while the headlights just become cloudy. It was picked up on the last CT, which is like the MOT biannual inspection, that the headlights were starting to get a little bit cloudy at the top. So I've got hold of some Sonax by Osram. This is a treatment that you can put on the headlight to protect it. Now there's 10 sachets in here, and each sachet does a pair of headlights, and that is supposed to last a year. So basically that's 10 years worth of treatment for the headlights. But because they're quite bad at the moment, I've got to treat them a little bit, polish them up. So what I'm going to try, I've got the buffing wheel, I've got some Meguiar's Ultra Cut compound, which is it's a bit like T-Cut, I suppose. It's just a slightly more coarse polish. I'll go over them first with that and see how they buff up, and then I've got some Simonized Max Wax. I shall do them with that then, and then we'll treat them with this stuff and see if it's any good. It was about €20 off Amazon.fr. I will put a link in the description below. What I'm going to do on the car, I'm going to just pop the grill out, so that gives me a bit more room with the buffing wheel, and I've not got to worry too much about it, and I don't have to bother masking out the headlights. So we'll get over on the car and make a start. So the first job I'm going to do is take this grill off. That's a 8mm, 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 and they're just popped in at the bottom. I've already undone them, and we'll just take that off out the way and just pop that up there. And that, I can get to the edge of the headlight then with the buffing wheel and not have to worry too much about it. On both sides. They are starting to get quite bad. You're not going to be able to hear me on the next bit because I'm going to have the generator running, so it'll just be visuals. So that's it, they're done. They do need a bit more work, but this weather's been crap for days and days. Got a bit of cabin fever. Got a bit of cabin fever even. I thought, get out, because popped over to Mum and Dad's the other day and I noticed that the headlights were getting quite bad. We don't drive it a lot at night time, but we want to keep it as nice as possible. I've coated it, I've wiped off the residue. You've now got to leave that for 4 hours without the car getting wet. I'm just going to pop the grille back in. You don't want to see that because straightforward, 3 bolts and it's done. And that's it. Hopefully that'll save the headlights. Next year when it comes to treating them again, I'll probably go to town a bit more on them, get some fine grade wet and dry 1200 grit or something, just to give them a bit more of a biffy, and we'll get them up brand new. The joys of plastic headlights. Anyway, hope you like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.